Get trap season, bro. Who that, Trap?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing Instagram photos, and that's pretty much what you saw in the thumbnail. This hair is from Luvme hair, and I'm actually doing a review on this hair for this video. It is gorgeous. It is a 13x4 frontal. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I got this look with this gorgeous hair, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are reviewing Luvme hair today, and this is like the wig bag that it came in, and also it came with some other goodies, and it's like some eyelashes, some earrings, some nails, and like a little hair scrunchie. So this is about how much hair that I had to pluck out in order to get the front to look like that. So I'm kind of separating the baby hairs, and I'm smoothing down these edges, y'all, with this hot comb, and that makes a world of a difference before I actually put the wig on. So I did have to use some of my edge booster wax stick as well with the hot comb, and that combination makes it really smooth. And as you can see, the lace is very HD. This is with studio lights, so you guys can see how transparent this lace is. It's really nice, so I definitely recommend. I'm trying to get the lighting right in here. So I am about to apply this wig, and it is 24 inches long, guys. I've worn this wig at least twice. That's why the lace is already like cut on there, because I already wore the wig twice. But guys, I've been having a little bit of trouble with the ball cap method. So now I'm starting to get like some foundation like this, and I'm just dipping it in, and I'm literally just putting it on my edges. And I feel like this is making it like a little bit more sleeker, and it just looks more natural. And then when I take the wig off, I can always just like wash it out and stuff. So I'm not really worried about that too much. But the inside of the wig does have an adjustable straps on the inside. As y'all can see, the inside construction, I love when it comes with these straps on the inside, because it does make it easier when you're fitting it on your head. I'm not gonna put a wig cap on, y'all, so I'm gonna just pop this straight on. And of course the combs help too. So now that I have it on, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on with my bed head spray. I love this spray. This is probably the best spray that you can use when it comes to applying your wigs. Like, I feel like it just goes on really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on. But do y'all see this lace? Like, that is crazy. This lace is really HD. That's why I'm so excited about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna position it on my head. Just see if I can get a good middle part. It helps me to go ahead and make the part before I apply the wig on, because then when I bring it back forward, I can kind of measure like the front of the wig or whatever. So I always do it like that, and it helps me kind of anchor it right. So I'm gonna look and see if that's the middle. I can move it over just a little bit.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the tie. Beat it on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Cap will go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fuck up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's a fucking call, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. It's fucking in
real quick, and I'm gonna come back on here and style the hair and yeah, show you guys the finished look. Today I am trying to take pictures, guys, so I am trying to like get this done and make it look all good. So I'm gonna curl it on camera, but I'm gonna apply this side. I'm gonna apply this side off camera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl this hair because I want it to have like that body wave look back, because it didn't come out, but it kind of got washed out whenever I did you know, wash it and co-wash it and all of that stuff. So the curl pattern didn't completely go away, but it's still like a little bit of a wave or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna curl this hair and make it look all pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up.
You can't even sit and be. All I need is be on you. Wanna sing like me? Yeah, wanna get call and you talk to a girl. I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. Who's giving you what you need? Waste your time with me.
Wow, I'm so impressed with this. Y'all, I'm so impressed with the way that this lace looks. It is looking so good. Okay, so as you guys can see, my light right here did go out. It's kind of hard for you guys to see it. Obviously, you can kind of see how I did that or whatever. And this side looks a little thicker than that side, but we'll make it work. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my little outfit together for the pictures or whatever. My other light went out, so it does look a little darker in here. But yeah, so I'm about to get that going. Let me see if I can make this brighter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this outfit together. The hair is looking good so far, and I really like it. I definitely feel like this lace is like melting really, really well. I probably need to like wipe some of that glue off right there, but as you can see, it's looking real melted, and it's looking real good.